So we have a quick garden vlog, and here's my little vegetable garden where I rely on to get some vegetables. And a while back I got those solar lights here from Aldi. You know Aldi, the German discounter. It's here in America, and they were fairly decently priced. They are battery powered with solar charger in there, and then here I have tomatoes, a pepper and basil here, and in the basil we see holes already, like there. Holes in the basil, something is eating my basil, okay. Good and fine, but then I come here today to my carrots and they are all devastated, I don't know why, and look at this. The tip of the thing is broken off and missing, okay. What do I find here on the ground? A branch. Branch fell off this tree. Look at that, isn't that a bitch? Broke off and hit my vegetable garden and destroyed my light. I'm gonna have to fix this now. I'm gonna see how this is gonna work, but we will try. This is nothing that super glue can't fix, is it? I don't know, it's our plastic. We have to open it up and see what's going on. So I do have to dry this glass, wash and dry. Same here with this plastic piece. Maybe I 3D print a new mount, but we can see here that the LED light still works. So there's hope. So with 90% humidity, stuff doesn't dry quick, you know. It takes time to go inside here in an air-conditioned area where we are able to dry stuff. Here the lens is still okay. And then here, this part, it's wet. Now I don't know when this happened, possibly during the rain situation. So I don't know how much water is inside of this. This would be nice to know, you know. Also to look inside, what's happening inside, how good or bad it is in here. So those are the broken off pieces. We have to glue those together. Let's see how this goes. Let's open this up first. For that I would need a screwdriver. Let's see if I have one here. Of course I do. So let's see, there's 3 screws in plastic. I'm gonna put this here. There's a little magnet in this mat here, so the screws don't fly away. Look at this, you can put them all there and not lose them. Okay. Okay, let's open this. Oh, that opens easy. Oh, look at this, how easy it opens. And it's absolutely dry inside. Look at that. Right, and we have here the on-off switch. And we do have a little battery in here. It's 500 milliamp hours rechargeable lithium ion. So I can use here. Where's my hand? There. My lithium ion charger is here. Let me plug that thing in. Look, it's here. So while we work on this, we look at this here. Lithium ion 4.2 volts. It's like 1/4 full, so it's not really full. So I have this open There's a little plastic piece in here. I don't know where that comes from. If this is missing here. It looks good here though. This is not a big deal. And this also fits so good. It doesn't move much. It has a perfect fit. It's dry and clean. And that's good. So we're going to use super glue. Here, this one, Loctite. See that? Always out of the way, out of the reach of children. And then we just put glue on the surfaces we need to glue. And you don't need much. So that's a gel, right? Do not breathe this in. We don't need much. We place it exactly where we need it, here. There, okay. We just have to wait. I don't know if there's much pressure needed, but it only takes seconds for this to set. It's going to be hard so quick. We could add stuff here on the back, like glue, like hot glue kind of things, to tighten this up. Possible. Okay. So now I'm getting confused here with this. This is going to be in here like this, right? So it's the same concept. It fits very well. All the broken off edges we put super glue on. Very important that you don't touch this with your fingers, because your fingers and this thing is going to become one. You know what I mean? Close this up, and then we just put this in here where it belongs. Wiggle it a little. Oh. I think it's going to be here like this. We could also call Aldi and ask them to send us a new one, a new piece. But so what we have here right now, this is most likely going to work. You see this? How it is already fixed. Okay. Alright, so super glue it is. My battery is half full. So my battery is going to charge. And when it's done charging, we are putting this back together. And then we put it back outside. And it's good for another night. I hope you liked this video. And just another great example on how to fix stuff.